Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you're all safe and sound. According to our today's lesson planner, we have a misspelled tale, word book part A, question number 1 and question number 2. Let's begin with our first question, which is related to conjunctions. Before taking the entire question, we should know what are conjunctions first. Let us revise again. We know that conjunctions are those words that help us to join two sentences or parts of sentences. Here are some of the conjunctions that are given in the box. For example, and, but, or, either or, neither nor, both and, not only, but also. So in question number 1, we will use the conjunctions that are given above in the sentences of our own. You can either use these conjunctions, or you can write it down by yourselves. You can also use your own examples. Let's begin with our first conjunction, which is and. Let's use this and in a sentence. The first sentence is Mohsin rides a scooter and drives a car. So where is the conjunction? And is the conjunction. The second conjunction is but. Let's see what we have made a sentence with but. Samir is tall, but his brother is short. Then we have or. You can choose this one or that one. Either or. You can either have a cup of coffee or tea. Neither nor. Neither John nor James came to school today. Both and. We will use both of these in a sentence. Her son can both read and write. And the last one is not only but also. He is not only talented but also hardworking. So you can see over here, all of these conjunctions have joined the two different parts of the sentences together. So these are called conjunctions that join two parts of the sentences or clauses or phrases. So these were conjunctions. Let's begin with our question number 2 now. Now we are on question number 2. Let's read the statement first. Use each conjunction once and filling the blanks in these sentences. Some of the conjunctions are given at the top in the box, and we will fill the given blanks with suitable conjunctions from this box. Let's see what's the first one. The shop was closed, dash, we went home without buying anything. The shop was closed, so we went home without buying anything. My mother washed the dishes, dash, I swept the floor. My mother was washing the dishes while I was sweeping the floor. We went to see the film again, dash, we had seen it. We had already seen it, although we had already seen it even then we went to see the film again. So the conjunction is although. We will be late for the show unless we go now. If we will not leave now, then we will be late. So the conjunction is unless. The children went home, dash, the cricket match was cancelled. Why did they went home? Because the cricket match was cancelled. We are going to play football tomorrow if it does not rain. If it will not be raining tomorrow, then we will go and play a football. Please have a bath quickly since we are already late. Alright? Next one is the children had a rest, and when? After they finished their lunch. The boy was not at school, dash, he had measles. Why? As he had measles. Fahad went to Lahore, dash, he saw the Shahi Qila, where he saw the Shahi Qila. So these were some of the conjunctions we have used today, and I hope you understood today's lesson, which was related to conjunctions, words that join two sentences or parts of sentences or two different clauses or phrases. So thank you so much for listening.